Hi! This video is about me cleaning the glass door at my friend's place. Have you been traveling recently and in a place where you know that you have friends or a friend that had a home where you can stay? Well, we are lucky if we have that kind of friend that actually allows us to stay. One thing I noticed too is that I met a lot of people in my life and in traveling life, and most of us don't really help, when we have a free stay at their home. And it's not very nice because why? One thing is our friend is very busy and we are lucky that they allowed us to stay. At this point, the least thing I could do is actually clean or help in cleaning at home. So that's why I did it today. I've been staying for like a week and there's um, things that I want to do a little that I could help out in the home. I always make sure that I always try to help at home because my friend don't allow me to pay, and I'm lucky because then I could save a little bit, you know. And a friend like that is very, uh, I think at least very genuine to us. So, this is it. We're doing a little cleaning. As you can see in the background, it is like a condominium, and I noticed that glass door is a little bit dusty because my friend has always been busy. So I thought of doing a little cleaning as a pastime today. I hope you enjoy.